Yes, Knife Ninja. Plenty of us say we don't want to do any videos about you pertaining to all the way you have strike Jamaica Glass House. If I was in your shoes, Knife Ninja, and I saw that video, I saw that thumbnail, I'd rather to email, and say Glass House, take down that because I am a married man. I'm a married man. I don't want to create chaos in my marriage. I rather to do that Knife Ninja more than to strike his channel because all of us is on the YouTube street hustling, including myself. So sometimes Knife Ninja, we have to look within ourselves. We are all Jamaicans. Matter of fact, I do a video about talking about the same thing. We are all Jamaicans. So no, you are actually creating enemies more on the YouTube streets. You are creating enemy. But Glass House, Jamaica Glass House, I really wanted to learn from this one. Sometimes I watch plenty of your videos and sometimes you're really overusing it. You're really overusing Jamaican Glass House because you have to use a couple seconds. Sometimes when I'm watching your videos, Jamaican Glass House, I always say to myself, you're using too much of somebody's video. Because the way you beat Knife Ninja, including myself, and some of us on the YouTube street, Knife Ninja just gonna get up in his feelings and strike. And a matter of fact, I think he did about a 4 minutes video about 2 weeks ago. Said he's gonna strike his channel. So when I saw Jamaican Glass House came out on Friday night, I said yes. Knife Ninja really strike my channel. He warned. And I did a video warning reactors that do not use Knife Ninja, stuff them. Because he's gonna strike. He's all up in his feelings. When Jamaican Glass House clacking the views using his thumbnail and clips in his videos. He even make a video. Matter of fact, he made a video or go live yesterday and said, we are actually making money more than him and using up him stuff. So some of us as reactors, we have to do our research. As much as I come and speak about other people in my videos, I might use their channel names. I know how far to use them stuff. I know how far. Say Jamaican Glass House, just try not. Just try to be a little bit more creative and cutting out by using too much of people clips, because sometimes when I'm watching your videos, I'm saying to myself, why are you using so much of people clips? Content creator clips are reactors. Yes, guys, I'm not playing the hypocrite. Because you can't step on somebody can't talk and then just go and find a specific video and strike your channel. I'm not gonna play no hypocrisy. Whosoever want to be at the YouTube street, I say yes, Knife Ninja. Yes, I know what Knife Ninja did. It's not right. But at least now Jamaican Glass House know who videos is must use or take clips, put in his videos. Even if I was good at computer, I would use a small amount. Fair use. Because when I was watching, what his name? J Progress said a lot of reactors do not understand the YouTube. Just do not understand YouTube. Yes, we create a channel, but we don't understand when we use people's stuff. It near fair use. You have to know how much to use from somebody video. You have to know. You have to know, because sometimes I'm watching other content creator, they use a lot of Colorsmith clips, but I know Colorsmith is different from Knife Ninja. Colorsmith knows how the YouTube streets run. Colorsmith is a different person from Knife Ninja, because the more you talk about people, yes man, just like how they can beat Colorsmith left, right and center, and Colorsmith not going to strike anybody. He's not going to strike anybody. Even me. Somebody used my clip last year, December, Use thumbnail and they use couple seconds of my video, and I never strike because I don't believe in it. I don't believe in doing evil to somebody, because one day evil is going to return back to you. because the same knife that stick out, it can stick sheep. So all you see Knife Ninja go on and he strike the young man channel. He should have never do it. Knife Ninja should have never do it. I hope one of your followers is gonna watch this video. You should never strike. And I was watching your live, I say you're not gonna strike anybody else's channel. But you should have lied down in your bed, Knife Ninja. Sometimes we cannot quick to anger. You should lie down in your bed, man, I say. You should have lied on your bed, man, and do not strike his channel, because you're literally going to create more enemies, and we're going to start boycotting your videos. We never watch your videos, especially people that live overseas. You make more money. When they watch your ads, you make more money. You're biting the hands that feed your Knife Ninja. Suppose Colors Me TV must strike you now, and other content creators. Suppose they get revenge for us. I'm gonna strike Knife Ninja channel. 3 strikes you're out. You have to come back again and create another channel. All over. Do the process all over. You have to get help from Colors Me TV. Him give you the spotlight. Say, it hurts me so much to see you strike Jamaica Glasshouse channel. You're creating more enemies. And Jamaica Glasshouse, I hope you learn. Especially when you're up on the YouTube street as a reactor and you're flagging somebody. Yes, man. They will retaliate. So you see what Knife Ninja does? He retaliates. Because 3 weeks ago he said he's going to start striking channel. And see that? He finally bring it out. So we have to be careful as reactors. Me, I'm so scared of using anything for anybody. I'm so scared, guys, because it's not easy to build a channel from nothing, especially when somebody does not help you. Just like how Colors Me TV help Knife Ninja. Knife Ninja no sweat. Knife Ninja no put in the works to build that channel of his. No, he not put in the works. So I don't know why he chose to go down that road by striking somebody channel. Knife Ninja, I don't know you're sleep, you know. I don't know how you sleep. We are living in a world now. You can do somebody just something simple and they hurt you. Knife Ninja, remember, say downtown you're going, you know. Go make your videos there by feeding those homeless people, you know. So right now you have to go watch your head back, you know. You have to be watching yourself if somebody's gonna hurt you. I'm not predicting for anything to happen to you. But nowadays, when you stop another man food, feeding his family and paying his bill, people is so evil nowadays, Knife Ninja. You should know that, because you're living in Jamaica. And much as I live in Canada, I know certain things I know to do on the YouTube streets. I know certain things I know to do. I know you alone, people come out and tear down on the YouTube streets. And none of those content creators never said, let us strike. Look at Chrissy and CMR. The more that things we talk about Chrissy and CMR, Chrissy not come out and strike nobody. And even if it goes so, or it not go so, nobody never come out and strike each other. Because anybody can go dig up your files on the YouTube streets, you know. And say, no, say that boy Knife Ninja just to chat up a bag of things about me. And don't strike each other. So you have to be careful what you're doing, Knife Ninja. All of us need to eat. All of us need somewhere to live. We have a family, we have a kids. Look at you, Knife Ninja. You get 2 young kids with your beautiful wife. So Knife Ninja, me really lose our fire. And much as me come out and me talk things, but guess what? Me know how far to go with my mouth. Me know how far. So anyway, guys, thanks for listening. I just leave a comment on this video here. And just have a wonderful Sunday, everyone. Bye.